Hello guys, this is Kudo, and today we'll continue our series video about how to make a Mario 2D in Unity. So in this video, we'll handle how to flip Mario when you will go left or right, and also handle his jump. So let's get into it. So last time we were able to move Mario, so if I hit play here, we are able to move Mario, so left and right, but the thing is, right now it didn't flip as we want. So to do that, what we want to do, so let's open the player controller and let's make a function about it. So as you can see here, I got the sprite renderer player, so we'll use this to basically be able to flip Mario with his axis. So to do that, we need to create a function. So let me create the function maybe here. So let's create a private. So private void check check direction to face. Okay, and it will take in parameter a vector2, so a vector2 input value. So basically it will be the input value of the keyboard, so left or right, so input value. And what we want to do, we want to say if input value dot x, so input value dot x is superior, so value superior than 0, and the sprite renderer, so sprite renderer player dot flip x. So basically this will return me a boolean, so if it's flipping or not. So if this it equal to true, what we want to do, we just want to say sprite renderer, so sprite renderer flip x equal to false. We will also make a to-do here, so make a to-do, and here we will need to handle the fireball, so fireball place position. I will make a to-do because right now we didn't implement anything, but just a quick reminder. And if it's not the case, so else if, so else if, so input value dot x lower than 0, what we want to do, and sprite renderer dot player flip x equal to false. What we want to do, we just want to do the same here. So sprite renderer player dot flip x equal to true, and also here we also need to handle the fireball position. So now we can save this. So where should I basically call this function? So remember I put a to-do somewhere, so I think it was on move, so over there. And remember here, need to check if Mario face left or right. So I will erase this over there, so I can paste it over there. And we want to put temp direction over there. So now we can save this, we can head back to Unity. So make sure that Mario got the sprite renderer, yeah. And now if I hit play, you will see, so I going on the left, it's okay, and I going on the right, Mario facing the good direction. Awesome, right? So now what we want to do, we want to handle the jump. So to handle the jump, something very easy, we need to use a formula. So basically it's most of the formula. So I will not explain it all the mathematics behind this. So I will use a body expression to make this. So I will create a private gravity, so private float gravity, so gravity. And yeah, Cody already know because it's very common to use this formula, but I will just rename gravity, so gravity, and just custom a little bit, so it will be -2.0 f time max jump height divide by max pow and the power of max jump time divide by 2.0, so divide by 2.0 f, so power of 2. So this will handle the gravity. So basically the gravity, what is meaning is we'll be able to use the gravity. So basically when Mario jump, if, so let me just quickly explain it to you very quickly. So basically when Mario, so let me just select it. if Mario is over there, so when he jump, you see the gravity will be not the same as if it's over there. Just this is just simple thing, because the gravity is more powerful here than here. Just very simple. So this formula is very common in most of the game. I just use it for this. So if you're interested, I will put a link in the description. Some YouTuber make a really great tutorial about about this. So definitely check it if you're interested of. Let's head back to Visual Studio Code, and I will need to do the same for the jump force. So basically I will need to create again a body expression. So private float, and I will so float, and I will create so jump force, so jump force, and this will be so again so 2.0. So yeah, Cody again already know. So I will say 2.0 multiplied by max jump height divided by max jump time divided by 2.0. So after this, I will need to create a function to handle this gravity. So check gravity player. So let me create a simple function. So over there, so let's create so a private void apply, so apply gravity, so gravity. So in this function, what I want to say, I just want to say velocity, so velocity dot y will be equal to velocity dot y, so velocity dot y plus gravity, so the gravity we just created, multiply by so gravity speed fall, so gravity speed fall multiply by time dot delta time, so time dot delta time. Again, this is a simple formula, it's mathematical thing, just trust me about this formula. And after, what we want to say velocity, so velocity dot y will be equal to matf dot max of between velocity, so velocity dot y, and gravity, so gravity divided by 2.0f. Okay, and now what we want to do, we want to apply this gravity. So remember, we make a to-do over there. So now we can remove this to-do and call this function. So apply gravity like this, like that. Okay, and now we need to basically handle the onJump function. So right now we didn't put anything, but we will code this function right now. So what we want to do over there, so we want to say if callback context, so again callback context is started, so started, and is player is grounded, because we need to check if it's grounded before he be able to jump. We want to say so is player, so is player jumping, so is player jumping equal to true, because jumping is happening. After that, we want to say gravity speed fall, so gravity speed fall will be equal to 1.0f, and we want to say velocity.y will be equal to jump first. Also, we put also a to-do over there, so to-do, and we need to handle, so handle audio when Mario will jump, audio when Mario jump. Also, what we need to do when we release maybe the space key, or what we want to say if so callback context dot cancel and player is player grounded equal to false, so is player grounded equal to false. What we want to do, we want to basically update the speed fall value after we hold too much maybe the space key, if we cancel the jump. So we'll make another function for this. So let me just create a function, so not in here but maybe after. So let's create so a private void, so update speed fall value after hold or cancel jump. And basically in this function we just want to say gravity.fall, so gravity speed fall will be equal to 3.0, not 1 but 3.0, and we want to call this function over there. So now we can save this, we can head back to Unity, And last thing we need to do, so in Mario 2D Player, make sure to use the proper layer for the ground, pipe, and etc. So for ground, pipe, layer mask, we need to choose ground, brick, and pipe. For the brick, I will need to use brick, and for the pipe, I will need to use pipe. So now we can save this, we can hit play, and you will see Mario be able to jump. So if I press space, so right now I'm holding space, but if I just press space one time quickly, as you can see, Mario is just jumping not that high. But right now, as you can see here, and even if I spam space, as you can see, we need to wait before he be able to make another jump. Even if I, spam it. And again, we can move left, move right, and as you can see, Mario is following, is facing the right direction. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that will be it for this tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, do not hesitate to subscribe or buy me coffee. Again, all the source code will be in my GitLab account, so feel free to use this. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.